Okay guys, so today we're going to be trying to fix these headlights right here. As you can see, they're all hazed up in yellow, and we have a technique to get these back to looking good. So as you can see right here, we have 220 grit sandpaper. What you're going to do is take some of that, get the headlight wet, and then you're going to sand that down until you have a good surface. Then you're going to take some rubbing alcohol and a rag and wipe that off. Next you're going to move to the 400 grit sandpaper and do the same process, and then use some rubbing alcohol and wipe it off. Then you go to the 2000 grit sandpaper and do the same process, and then use rubbing alcohol to wipe it off. And then you go on and throw some of this on there.
I recall